recollections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract. As a matter of fact, Dev's buybacks.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back to the channel. And right now, I really appreciate everyone that stayed here with me on the channel. And I want to clarify something. I've seen a couple of comments here from my previous videos that they were asking, hey Mari, where are you right now? We miss you. Or somebody was actually saying that, hey, have you already sold Shiryo and moved on to the next project? And I want to say something really important here and right now. If I actually sell a project or if I sell Shiryo, I'll be the first one telling you, because I want to be as objective as possible, because that is the main purpose of this channel, to actually inform you of how to to have the best point of view of what the project is trying to do. And right now we're focusing on Shiryo. I know that this is the only project that we're talking right now, but in the future I hope that we can expand to other projects. And if we actually, I don't know, dump in a project, I'm gonna tell you why, and basically the reason of why I think the project that I've moved on is not feasible for me. But I will try to be as objective as possible for everyone. Okay, so I'm back. I hope to take the pace that I had before. And I was absent before because I was doing focus on some personal projects. I'm not gonna mention it right now, maybe in the future, because I don't know, I'm kind of superstitious, because I say that I don't want to jinx it. So I hope that I will finish those projects the next week. But basically, I'm happy what I've achieved right now. So thank you for being here. And what has been happening with Shiryo? So let's start that there was an AMA on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday. And Jordan was there together with Flade, Bianca, and Tears. And they mentioned a lot of bullets that we already know and mentioned on this channel on previous videos. But the main reason of that AMA to basically answer the questions and the concerns about the community. And I want to say, before starting with the points of the AMA, is that be patient. We know that the market, it is actually on a, how do you say it? It is on a accumulation zone. And we all might be thinking, yeah, the whole market is going to shit, or something is actually not right because we haven't gone up in a while. But I want to say, if this is your first ride on a crypto market, I want to say, please hold your balls together and be patient, because I mean, this is gonna recover. This is always has been like this. Earlier, when I was actually an amateur, I was actually a newbie on the crypto market, I sold for a loss. And I want to tell you, you don't have to take a loss. You don't actually are on a loss until you sell. And I'm 120% sure that this market is gonna recover. So as I was saying on a previous video, I have it right here if you don't remember it. I was saying that, yeah, we on Bitcoin side, we actually touched that what I felt that it was the bottom, and we were going to enter into an accumulation zone. And that was very important, because for Bitcoin to be able to move, they have to actually find the correct price, and for that is what's going to start to go up and go down. But I have the feeling that it's actually profiling to have an exploding uptrend in the next months. So that's what I hope. Obviously, I don't have a magic ball. I hope for Bitcoin to go up and drag the market with it. But obviously, it can go below. I don't know, it can go to 25,000. I really hope that doesn't happen. But for me, I am optimistic. I'm bullish. And I hope that Bitcoin, after entering that accumulation zone, it will basically explode to the upper side. And what is going on right now? As you can see here, this is the weekly chart. But what if I go to the daily chart? This is the same accumulation zone that I have here in my video. And basically it has been happening for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. And this is what I was talking about. And this is what I believe. We're actually holding in this bull market support band. And we actually we were rejected by the 32,000 line. But this is the accumulation zone that I was talking about. And this is really, really important. Okay. So be patient, hold, and please be as responsible as you can be with your money. Okay, don't bet anything that you cannot lose, because this is what the market is. When you actually invest, you have to actually know the risk of what it is going to take to invest in a project. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Be patient, don't sell, and don't invest money that you have. So, and what happened with Shiryo on the EMA? Let's get back on track. So they spoke about a lot of stuff that we already know and we spoke previously on this channel. And well, yeah, they wanted one some of the bullets that are actually relevant, that I think that are relevant. It is that they know that they wanted Marcin to be more active, but yeah, he's really busy right now. That's what they say. They want to they want to actually Marcin to be focused and to have everything ready when the bull run starts. So yeah, Marcin speaks English. He speaks English really proper. I mean, he's actually can communicate properly in English. I actually met him in Dubai. He can be participating on the AMS and in the community, but I'll say that he needs to focus on to actually sail the ship, to actually be able to push the project forward. So that's what he's doing right now. And yeah, he's working with the Luna Pier that is not related to the Luna project. Remember, Luna Pier is the public agency, the public image agency, and they are holding for the market to be in the right conditions. Because if they actually drop the money right now, it's gonna be a waste of money. What if you actually you wanna? For me, $1,000 is a lot. I mean, I'm not gonna spend $1,000 and know that I might lose them. You wanna be at least 80% sure that that money is gonna be well invested. So that's what the team is doing right now, waiting for the correct market to drop the bomb in marketing. Okay, so yeah, what about the exchanges? Yeah, on the exchanges, they're still on it, but they had to actually do a lot of juggling, jump a lot of hoops. So it is not something that simple, because it is not that you apply to the exchange and they list you. They have to actually, I don't know, they actually give you a list of requirements and you have to fix that on your code, or you need to actually adjust what you're doing, or you need to adjust the image, or you need to negotiate, or you need to actually, I don't know, you have to actually be, I don't want to say as manipulative, but you have to actually convince the guys that you are the right project for them. And that's what the team is doing, to try to bring Shiryo to their attention, because they are confident that this is a really good project. So that is for the exchanges. What about and they mentioned as well, what about the burns in general? Yeah, that has the way the market is low at the moment. We have a couple of buys and sells, and they are accumulating this money. They are going to sell. Okay, don't worry about it. They are gonna burn it. Don't worry about it. Okay, they actually have delivered. If you're actually starting to doubt the team, I'm gonna say just sell. I know that this is against of what I believe. My job is to inform you the best as possible. But if you personally feel that the project doesn't actually accommodate to your beliefs, you have just try to find a project that does. Okay, that's the message that I want to give you. And what about the founders pack? Why they haven't burned those? Well, yeah, they actually used a couple of those packs, the founders pack, for testing the Matic network. I was part of that testing group, the beta group. So they actually told us, yeah, you have to move your personal founders and basic packs to the Matic network, open, test, sell, whatever you have to do. And after you finish that, you will have to basically, we will have you eliminating that account of Matic, and we will give you back your packs. Okay, so it is up to you if you want to move them again, or if you want to, I don't know, stay on the Ether network. So that's what they are doing. They basically trying to make all the foundations to be ready to be able to burn the farmers back, and I know again that they will deliver. So that is for Shiryo. That is what the latest news that they had. I hope that I didn't make this video really longer. And thank you for being here. That is everything that I had to say. I hope that you liked it. If not, I don't know what you're doing here, but basically I'm super honest right now. Thank you very, very much for being here with me. And please, I hope that I retake the pace that I had before. And see you until the next time.
On the Shiryu rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.